Dear web talkers and referrals. In order to start earning points that converts to cash, complete your profile 100%. Enroll in the Referral Rewards program, read and sign the affiliate agreement. The ad pool rewards pays its members who engage, comment, like, share and support. Post daily if you can. Be active to earn more and more income for free. Earn from your time invested. Earn from your content contributed. Earn from your data provided. Earn from your referrals. When you invite them to join Webtalk and connect with you. Earn when they invest their time and/or money. No other program anywhere that's offering up to 50% of all revenue for life. Unique in the industry. Facebook generates over $5 billion per month from ad revenue. Webtalk is sharing with you 50% of all ad revenue. That will be given away every month through the Ad Pool Rewards program. Be active is the key to success and a better opportunity to earn more and more money. #It pays to be social.